something that I want to try out is the X5M versus C63 AMG. Now, if you follow the channel, you probably know my X5M is stage 1 tuned. However, for this this race, the X5M will be flashed to stock. We're gonna see stock X5M versus the stock C63 AMG. And remember, the C63 is not the S. So it's not putting out the 503 horsepower like the S model. It is doing 469 horsepower is where it's rated at. All right, this is a 4.4 twin turbo V8. C63 is a 4-liter V8 as well. It's a 4-liter twin turbo V8. So let's get going. right, so not quite what I was thinking on this race. I thought the X5M would pull, and I kind of figured that the C63 would kind of hold its ground once it dug in, but I wasn't expecting it to come back. I was surprised that it came back, and I wonder if it's more aerodynamic related because it only happened in a higher speed. You can see where it kind of happened. It happened around the triple digit mark, and that's where the tables turned. And as the speeds got higher, it just got worse for the X5M. Unfortunately, just to have enough for the C63, I think that's where the aerodynamics really play a part. And we'll do another one. If you like it, if you want to see another one, let me know in the comments. I'll run it back. We'll tune the X5M again, stage 1, boot mode, and we'll run it back. So let me know, leave a comment, give me a like. I'd like to see at least 50 likes on this thing, and then we'll see what happens. Thank you, and we'll see you next one.